Come on. No, don't give up. You're almost there. Just do it once and Mommy will leave you alone. Aww. Son. Don't slobber and touch your fingers. Come on. Come on, big boy. Need no help? Ta-da, ta-da! Big boy! I'm a big boy. Is you a big boy? Tell Mommy. Tell me about it. Don't look at the camera. There's not a camera there. What? Tell me. Yeah. Well, what? Let's talk about it. What do you got to say? Huh? Oh, is that right? Are you sure? Okay, I believe you. Oh, bless you. Bless you. What else? Tell me about it. Did you go stay at Grandma and Grandpa's this weekend? Yeah. Oh, yeah. And what did you do there? Is that what you did? Did you go shopping? What? Is that right? Tell me. Really? Is that what Grandma said? Oh. That's what Grandma told you? I don't think that's right. Oh, okay. It is? Oh, okay. Mommy believes you. Mommy believes you. What else? Can you tell everybody hi? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, yeah. Can you blow kisses? Can you blow kisses to Addie? Yeah, you can. Can you blow Addie some kisses? You can blow her some kisses. Ready? Ready? Mwah! Mwah! Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Tell everybody bye-bye. Bye.